First, be sure you have these things installed in your Unity project and your Unity project open. Then you can just double click on the Unity package, import, and then navigate to Vio, Props, Spray Bottle, and you'll have the prefabs right here. You can just click, drag, and drop it on the name of your avatar here, and you'll see them pop up in scene here. So just expand the prefab here, and then you want to take RHConstraint&Scale and then position it in the right hand. You can use W, E, and R to position, rotate, and resize respectively. And the other hand will automatically and symmetrically get adjusted. So you're done. Let me know if you have any questions. My Discord is in the description. Thanks.